Now we come to the theory of constraints as enunciated in this particular book. What is theory of constraints? Theory of constraints has got three parts. Let's try and understand the theory of constraints in a step-by-step manner, very simple and logically. A set of problem-solving tools called the TOC thinking process, TP, to logically and systematically answer the three questions essential to any process of an ongoing improvement. Whenever I want an ongoing improvement, whenever I want to increase my productivity, I need to ask three questions using the TOC thinking process tool, TP. What are the three questions? What to change? What to change? Lots of things are going on. This is also applicable in our personal lives, friends. Lots of things are going on. What to change? I find myself at the end of a career, or I find something not okay with me in terms of my work content, or it's possible that at my home level there is something I need to change. Many of us go through this experience. Theory of constraint is not about corporate alone. That's the point I'm trying to drive home. Corporate is an example which is easy to understand, but we need to expand it and apply it in other parts of our life. What to change? Pinpoint and ask yourself what to change. You must know, you must get focused what to change. Change into what? Second one is very tricky. First is, I know that I have to change my behavior. I know I don't want this job. But then what job do you want? People come and ask me about specialization choice. Sir, I don't like finance, or I don't like HR. They say, I don't like this. Then I ask a question, what do you like? No answer. They say, if you do not know where you want to go, it does not matter where you go. So I must know to what to change to. And the third most important is how to cause the change. What are the procedures? What are the steps? What are the processes? What to change? To what to change to? How to cause the change? Three questions. Next, a set of daily management tools. Underline the word daily. Daily management tool. It's an ongoing daily process. It's not a once in a week or Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 process. It's a daily process every day, day after day. A set of daily management tools taken from the TOC thinking process that can be used to significantly improve vital management skills, very important management skills such as communication, effecting change, bringing about changes, team building and empowerment. On the face of it, all this is intellectual when you're listening to me, but we need to take these tools, ask these questions at the most fundamental level. Every worker, every executive, and at that level we need to go through changes of communication, team building, empowerment, etc. This is also called as organization development, OD. A certain aspect of the changes, overall changes for the improvement of the whole organization. A new way of thinking, collective thinking. Communication forms the backbone of the whole process. If I want to address constraints, I have to be communicative enough. When you read the book, The Goal, you'll see the communication between Jonah and Alex Rogo. That is the type of communication, clear communication, open communication. When somebody tells me that I'm not doing a good job, I must be able to be listening to him and understand what he's trying to say and not go on the defensive. There should be open, clear, supportive communication. Third point, innovative, proven solutions created by applying the TOC thinking processes to specific applications areas such as production, distribution, marketing, and sales, project management, and setting the direction of the company. Innovative, proven solutions created by applying the TOC thinking process. Something which I've already tried, I put it into practice. Having put it into practice, it works. So I try to replicate the same practice with a little modification, and then I try to put it in the routine areas of working, namely production, distribution, marketing, etc. So what does all the three add up to? All the three add up to one thing. One is analyzing what I need to do and how I need to do. Second is use the tools to do it. daily on a continuous basis. Third is apply some tools which have already been proven as working effectively and keep the thing happening. This is what is covered in understanding the theory of constraints. It simply tells us that once I have a constraint, I need to go very systematically in seeing to it that the constraints are proactively utilized and not reactively utilized. Proactive means to my advantage, reactive means with a knee-jerk type of an action. Out of panic, out of some imaginary number crunching, I don't need to react to it. I need to think carefully and then respond to it or proactively act upon it.